Yo, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. Today guys, we're going to be busting out a beautiful USDA Prime T-bone steak that was provided to us by Six Brothers Beef Company. Their information will be down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. They've got awesome products guys. But today we're going to be making this steak on the old copper Weber kettle. And I've actually been trying to eat a little bit lighter here lately, so I haven't had me a good steak in a little bit, so I'm excited. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Guys, I appreciate y'all for stopping in and I'm excited for this steak. Let's go on and get this steak seasoned up and get it on the kettle. And here we have this beautiful T-bone steak, guys. You've got your bone here, it's coming down through here a little bit. You've got your New York strip side and you got your little snag of the filet over here. That's what you get with your T-bone. Your porterhouse is going to have a larger filet side. But this is a beautiful USDA Prime T-bone steak. Take a look at this marbling, guys. Look at that. That's going to be awesome. And today we're going to show you how to make an awesome steak fairly quickly. And we're going to stick with some awesome steak seasoning here by YoungBucks. My barbecue brother Ashton. I'll have his information down below in the description box. But we're just going to put a decent amount on here, not too much. This is USDA Prime beef, guys. USDA Prime, you don't want to cover that up. So unless you want an amplified flavor, but that's not what we're doing today. If you did, you kick it up with your seasoning level. But that looks good on that side. Let's get this turned around just like that. Man, that's beautiful. And get this side seasoned up. And I dabbed it down a little bit with a paper towel before I actually started recording. And as you can see, it's still got some good juices. So we're gonna let this steak sit here and sweat. Let these seasonings sit in and really marry with the beef. We've got our old copper Weber kettle getting heated up on the back porch. It might start raining, we'll see, but we'll be good out there anyways. Next time I see y'all, we'll throw this bad boy on. Alright gang, it's time to get this beautiful T-bone steak onto our Weber. I've been waiting long enough. And the pitmaster is getting hungry. So we've got this set up for 2-zone cooking. We're going to be letting it get a little smoke bath on this side. Listen to that sizzle action. We're running about 300, 350 in here. We're going to cook this steak up real quick. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down, let it roll for 10 minutes, and we'll check on it. Alright. Let's check this steak out, guys. Golly. Boy, I tell you what, that's looking good. Let's go ahead and take a temperature reading of our steak with our Inkbird here. Usually I like to flip it around 90 degrees. We're at 91 degrees. 10 minutes in. I told y'all this was going to be a quick steak cook, and this is going to be an exceptional steak when we're done with it. So we're going to flip this bad boy around, leaving our thicker part of our steak towards the heat there. And just like we just did, we're going to shut this down, let it ride for 10 more minutes, and I'll show you what we're going to do next. We're about 5 degrees away from when we want to sear this beautiful T-bone steak up, and I thought I'd hop on here right before we get to the action and ask y'all, what is y'all's favorite cut of steak? Comment down below, let me know. Maybe I'll make a special video cooking that kind of steak and shout you out. Alright guys, let's sear this bad boy. I just checked our internal temperature and we are right over 115 degrees internal, which is perfect. We're shooting for a finish of 125, 130, somewhere around there. It's time to sear this bad boy up and make Tim Allen proud. Oh yeah. Man, nothing like that smell right there. Let's get this bad boy flipped around. Look at that crust. Golly. It's almost not even fair. And repeat. Listen to that sizzle, and that's what you call game over, people. I'm gonna pull this off, let it rest, and then we're gonna try it. Man, it smells like an awesome thing going on right here on this plate. Let me just tell you about this salad. I'm excited for it as well. If y'all follow me on social media, you know I love my vegetables. I love my beef, I love my pork, I love my salmon, my shrimp, but I love my vegetables also. We've got this salad here with some spicy, extra spicy jalapeno slices, some sweet peppers, some celery, some tomatoes, and then I topped it off with a little bit of deli honey mustard and that steak seasoning from YoungBucks. So I'm excited for this. Let's go ahead and obviously check the real MVP and see how we did on this steak. Look at that, guys. Beautiful sear. Nice pink middle. Cheers, y'all. Wow. You can really taste that smoke on it from the Weber Kettle. We got an awesome crust on it with that flamethrower or that torch. We made Tim Allen happy with this guy right here with our torch to sear it off. Now, let's try the veggies. Let me get me a piece of jalapeno, some tomato, some sweet pepper, and there we go. Give me a nice little piece of steak with it too. Bam. That's a bite. I can't say any more about this. Beautiful USDA prime T-bone steak, cooked to perfection, guys. You can do it at home too. And then you got that honey mustard, the jalapenos, the celery, the sweet peppers. Man, it all goes perfect together. You don't got to go to a steakhouse. You can make it right at your own house. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and that bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. I'm going to finish this meal up, guys. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing. We outdid ourselves today, guys.